time itself is not free from jeopardy. There are those who seek to control it, corrupt it, change it to suit their dark will. If that ever happens, the universe will need a true hero to stop it. Are you ready?
No, because I don't want to kill you. I'm not going to enjoy this. I'm really not. Some people are going to think that, like, oh, it's so great to kill Alister. I don't think it's going to be great to kill Alister because of the fact that I personally like Alister's character. He doesn't deserve to fucking die. Why should he die? Sure, he's a drama king. He doesn't deserve to die. Fuck.
He doesn't give a shit that he's gonna fuck up all reality.
Yeah, but still, he doesn't deserve to die for that. He's confused and old.
The answer should be knock him the fuck out and take him to prison. But I guess that won't work.
This is all his fault. He left me no choice.
Well, at least we get a really sweet scene.
Stay out of my way, Clank. I don't want to kill you, but I will if I have to.
Please kill Sigmund, but Alister, he annoys me.
Out of my way, caretaker. Come on. You want some of this?
Are you serious, Sigmund?
This heartless, soulless little woman.
What?
Oh, Sigmund, what are you doing? He's a scary demon lombax and you're after the planter. Is it so much to ask that the great and powerful Sony bend their precious rules to correct the past? Just keep going. Lock the door. No. Get away from the chamber.
Look at him. He's just confused. He needs a hug and a biscuit. And maybe a few proctology exams. Sorry. I'm sorry, Alister. I love you, Alister.
Back here.
I love you, Alister, but not in that kind of way.
Open that door, do you hear me? The clock, much like time itself, is a gift and not to be tampered with.
You kidding me? You think I'd leave my best pal out here alone?
Your father went to great lengths to protect this room from those who would abuse him.
I wouldn't risk any more than 6 minutes.
6 minutes.
Yeah, always trust the plumber. Don't listen to your dad. Trust the plumber. Yeah, that's great words to wisdom. Yeah, see you next reboot. Yeah, exactly. Oh, joy. Blank's like, what the hell?
I'm really confused.
He's like, I did this. I fucked up time. Yay, save your friend. Save your pretty, pretty friend. Evil. Well, he's not actually evil. He's just confused.
I'm sorry, Ratchet. I've come too far to fail now.
General, what are you doing?
Correcting a mistake. The Woodboxes are coming home with or without your help. Try this.
Ratchet, look out! General, you have to stop
Holy
this.
shit, I actually got it right.
Change the past.
Can't.
Awesome.
Never could let go of consequence, could you?
Ratchet, thank you. Thank you.
I can't let you get
Don't be
away.
back when I time travel. Okay, yeah.
What the hell did Alister just say?
Ratchet, we cannot let him touch that lever.
Oh man, here we go. Wait, was that a box? Oh. Here we go. Oh shit, that must have hurt. Wow. Alister.
Shift initiated.
Oh, fuck. Here we go.
Priming systems.
Whoa, okay.
Shift.
I
Like-
didn't want it to be like this. You were supposed to be here on my side.
Yeah, well, I want you to dance.
We could have saved them together.
Dance!
I taught you nothing.
Go, Alister, go!
Amateur! The years away from our kind have made you weak.
I don't know, you're the one who's dancing, Alister. Dance! Dance, you old man!
Actuator stations 1 through 100.
Go, Alister, go! Go, you crazy old lawbacks! Oh, shit! Throw down another! Go, do it again! I'm just gonna use up my freaking glove on that. Look at him go! Look at him go! Old dude!
It'll take
Okay.
that to stop me.
Okay, I guess I should get my shit in the group.
Sorry, it has to be this way.
Okay, that thing fucking sucks.
I wanted you here with me.
And I wanted you here with me too, Uncle. You're crazy. Sure.
Impressive. I'm sure you'll be dead by now.
Buzzblades. The thing that killed fucking Nefarious. Come on, Mr. Zircon! Let's kill my uncle!
This is the best you've got.
Yeah,
You're nothing like your
because I don't have the rhino yet. I killed Nefarious without the rhino. You're throwing screens. Really? Okay, now he's got some sort of like a deflector. Oh. I thought that was a Sony there.
I should have contacted them.
When Mr. Zircon? I don't need a Zircon. I need freaking. Okay, I got Buzzblades. Nice. I hate when the camera does that.
It's my job to save them.
No, it's not. It's your job to be old. It's not your fault you're old. What are you doing?
Fighting this.
Because I just wanted to be your nephew.
Trying to give you your family back.
Oh, Alister, stop with this.
I have to do this.
Yeah, well, I have to shoot you with extremely sharp razors. What the fuck are you shooting at, Ratchet? Is there like a time limit or something on this?
There are no more Dimensionators.
What was that about the Dimensionator?
This is all.
Are you trying to ground me or something, dude? Dude.
Chance. You know that.
He's gonna come around again, isn't he? Okay, you want an old-fashioned smack off, huh?
They didn't all escape, did you know? What is it for? You had me on destroying everything in his path.
Is this even working on him? I think it is. Need some hollow boots. What
choice! So you're just gonna kill me? Kill you now, save you in the past.
He really needs a biscuit.
That's an interesting thought process.
Is that thing even doing anything? Dude, whoa! I didn't even know Ratchet could do that.
Well, he does now.
Are you serious?
Warning. Temporal catastrophe imminent. Shock.
No, you can't! This has to happen! What are you pulling?
Sorry, Azimuth.
What are you doing? It's not working. Why isn't it working?
Because it's not a time machine, Alister. The clock isn't meant to alter time, only keep
30 seconds until total system failure.
so sorry. No, let me.
What are you gonna do?
Take care of yourself, ratchet.
Alister?
He did a brave thing, Ratchet. You should be proud of him.
Well, looks like there's just one more thing to fix.
Timekeeper restored.
I'll leave you two alone. Take care of yourself, pal.
I cannot stay. I am sorry, but discovering my family has made me realize that I cannot leave Ratchet. Not until he finds his own. I hope you understand.